Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural solution to achieving glowing skin, luscious hair, and even better overall health? Well, let me introduce you to an age-old remedy that's been trusted for centuries: castor oil. Just imagine waking up each morning to visibly healthier skin and hair, all thanks to a few drops of this powerful oil applied before bed. Intrigued? Stay tuned to find out how you can harness the magic of castor oil in your nightly routine and discover the amazing transformations that await you. In today's video, we'll get deep into the world of castor oil and uncover its many benefits. We'll start by exploring what castor oil is and why it has been a staple in traditional medicine for so long. Next, we'll break down the numerous advantages of using castor oil before bed, from enhancing your skin and hair to providing surprising health benefits. Then, I'll guide you step by step on how to incorporate castor oil into your nightly regimen for maximum results. Plus, I'll share some real-life testimonials and personal experiences to highlight its effectiveness. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest health and beauty tips. Now, let's discover the incredible potential of castor oil and how it can enhance your nightly routine. What is castor oil? Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, commonly known as the castor bean plant. Native to the tropical regions of Africa and India, this plant has been cultivated for centuries for its versatile oil. The extraction process involves pressing the seeds to release the oil, which is then purified to remove any toxins. The result is a pale yellow, viscous oil renowned for its rich concentration of beneficial compounds. Castor oil is packed with a variety of beneficial components that make it a powerhouse in natural health and beauty treatments. The primary fatty acid in castor oil, ricinoleic acid, is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This makes it highly effective in treating skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Castor oil is rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, supports cell regeneration, and maintains the skin's overall health. The antioxidants in castor oil help combat oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging of the skin and hair. Benefits of using castor oil before bed. Castor oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer. Its high fatty acid content helps to lock in moisture, making it an excellent remedy for dry skin. Applying castor oil before bed allows it to work overnight, deeply hydrating your skin and leaving it soft and supple by morning. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, castor oil can help reduce acne and prevent future breakouts. It penetrates the skin deeply to cleanse pores and reduce inflammation. Additionally, regular use can help diminish the appearance of scars and blemishes, promoting a clearer, more even complexion. By applying castor oil before bed, you can take advantage of its ability to boost collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and promote a natural, healthy glow. Castor oil is rich in nutrients that nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Massaging it into your scalp before bed can help strengthen the roots, reduce hair fall, and encourage thicker, fuller hair over time. The moisturizing properties of castor oil also benefit the scalp. It helps soothe dryness and irritation, reducing dandruff and flakiness. Applying castor oil to your scalp before bed can lead to a healthier scalp environment, which is essential for optimal hair growth. Castor oil has been used as a natural laxative for centuries. When used as a castor oil pack on the abdomen, it can help stimulate bowel movements and relieve constipation. This method involves soaking a cloth in castor oil, placing it on the abdomen, and applying heat for about 30-60 minutes. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can also help alleviate joint pain and inflammation. Applying castor oil to the affected area before bed and covering it with a cloth can provide relief from conditions such as arthritis or muscle soreness. Its deep penetration allows it to reduce inflammation and soothe pain effectively. How to use castor oil before bed. 1. For skin. Before applying castor oil, make sure your skin is clean and free of makeup. Use a gentle cleanser to wash your face and pat it dry with a soft towel. This ensures that the oil can penetrate your skin effectively. Pour a small amount of castor oil into your palm. A few drops are usually sufficient. Gently rub your hands together to warm the oil. Using your fingertips, apply the oil to your face in circular motions. Focus on areas that need extra moisture or where you have acne, scars, or wrinkles. Allow the oil to absorb into your skin. Castor oil is thick, so it may take a little time to fully penetrate. You can leave it on overnight for maximum benefits. 2. For hair. Brush your hair to remove any tangles and to distribute natural oils from the scalp to the ends of your hair. Pour a small amount of castor oil into a bowl. Dip your fingertips into the oil and gently massage it into your scalp. Use circular motions to stimulate blood flow and ensure the oil reaches the roots of your hair. Continue massaging for about 5 to 10 minutes to ensure even distribution and to relax your scalp muscles. After massaging your scalp, apply the remaining oil to the length of your hair, focusing on the ends to combat dryness and split ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap or a silk scarf to protect your pillowcase and to allow the oil to penetrate deeply overnight. In the morning, wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo to remove the oil. You may need to shampoo twice to ensure all the oil is washed out. 3. For health. Materials needed: castor oil, a piece of flannel or cotton cloth, plastic wrap, and a heating pad or hot water bottle. Soak the cloth in castor oil until it is saturated but not dripping. Lie down in a comfortable position and place the oil-soaked cloth on your abdomen. Cover the cloth with plastic wrap to prevent the oil from staining your clothes or bedding. Place the heating pad or hot water bottle over the plastic wrap. The heat will help the oil penetrate the skin and improve its effectiveness. Relax for 30 to 60 minutes while the castor oil pack works its magic. You can read, meditate, or listen to music during this time. After the treatment, remove the pack and gently clean the area with a mild soap to remove any remaining oil. Tips and precautions. To see the best results from using castor oil, consistency is essential. Make it a part of your nightly routine and be patient. It might take a few weeks to start noticing significant changes, but the long-term benefits are well worth the wait. Always opt for cold-pressed organic castor oil to ensure you're using a product free from harmful chemicals and additives. Cold-pressed oil retains more of its natural nutrients and benefits compared to heat-processed alternatives. Before applying castor oil to your face or scalp, do a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any allergic reactions. Apply a small amount of oil to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Be cautious when applying castor oil near sensitive areas, such as your eyes. Castor oil can cause irritation if it gets into your eyes, so make sure to keep it away from your eye area. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid using castor oil internally, as it can induce labor. Consult with your healthcare provider before using castor oil externally during pregnancy to ensure it's safe for you and your baby. If you have any underlying skin conditions or health issues, consult with a dermatologist or healthcare provider before incorporating castor oil into your routine. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and medical history. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine can lead to remarkable benefits for your skin, hair, and overall health. From moisturizing and reducing acne to promoting hair growth and relieving joint pain, this natural remedy offers a variety of advantages. Remember to follow the tips and precautions we discussed to maximize its effectiveness safely. If you've enjoyed learning about the wonders of castor oil and found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.